In this boat, I got 3 batteries. One for starting the engine, one for general purpose, lights, navigation and so on, and one separate battery for the windlass and the bow thruster. I want to charge all these batteries from one single engine. How is my setup for doing this? I will show you. First I will show you the batteries. Here is my starter battery. That's 190 amp battery. And then here in front of the engine, I got 2 times 190 amp battery. So in total 380 amps for the general consumption. And here in the bow you can see the last battery. This is giving power to the bow thruster, as you can see here, and the windlass on the deck. For each of the batteries I have a separate physical switch. So this switch is on-off for the start battery, this switch is on-off for the general purpose battery, and I have a third switch for the windlass and bow thruster battery. Now I want to charge all these 3 batteries from one single engine, but I do not want these batteries to be connected. How do I do that? Well, the secret is in here. I will show you. So this blue box here, this is where the magic happens. This is a Victron Argofet battery isolator, and it works like this. It takes the charging power from the alternator on the engine and it delivers to battery 1, battery 2 or battery 3, depending on which battery has the lowest voltage. So normally when you start the engine, the starting battery will have a low voltage and will be charged first. And after a short while, this is top charged, and the Argofet is then delivering the power to the general purpose battery or the bow thruster battery, depending on the voltage of these batteries. And then it will always measure these 3 voltages and deliver power to the battery that needs it. In this way, these 3 batteries are not connected, and as you have seen, they have each individual on-off switch, but they will be charged when they need it. I've had this solution for a couple of years, and it just works perfect. I'm not affiliated with Victron or any dealer or anything like that. This is just my honest opinion. This is one of the best things I've ever bought. I've installed it myself, and it just works. So this is how I charge all 3 batteries from one single engine. And for me, this has worked very well. In addition to this charging from the engine, I also have a solar panel on the top of the boat. This charges the general purpose battery only. And I've also got shore power with 3 independent chargers, 1 for each battery. So this is my setup. This is how I do it in our 1982 Nauticat 38 pilothouse sailboat, and it works perfect. If you got any questions, please ask them in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Bye! Did you like this video? Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. These 2 videos might be the next videos you want to see.